If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install macOS Ventura 13.5 onwards public betas or developer betas. With macOS Ventura 13.4 update, you can now easily install later versions of public or developer betas. To do this, go to System Settings. At System Settings, click on General. At General, click on Software Update. At Software Update, click on Beta Updates. On Beta Updates, you can choose either macOS Public Betas or macOS Developer Betas. To choose either choices, make sure your Apple ID is registered to either Public Beta Scheme or Developer Beta Scheme. Further info is available at the link provided below at the comment sections. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.